Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log out of your Duolingo's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log out of your Duolingo's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Duolingo application. The home page of Duolingo application will appear on the screen. Click on profile icon at the bottom of the page. On the next page, click on little gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Scroll all the way down and tap on sign out. It will log you out of your Duolingo's account in no time. This is how you can log out of your Duolingo's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.